Kidney health is crucial, and there's no room for compromise. These organs filter out waste and toxins, but they need care to keep doing their job well. However, with so much advice out there, it's hard to know what actually works. That's why today we're going to cut through the noise and focus on 3 fruits that experts swear by for detoxing your kidneys. Backed by science and trusted for generations, these fruits can help your kidneys flush out toxins and keep everything in balance. So if you're serious about supporting your kidney health, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Number 3. Apple. Coming in at number 3 is the humble apple. Now, I know that this fruit might seem ordinary, but it's great for keeping your kidneys healthy. You've probably heard that apples are high in fiber, right? Well, contrary to what you might have believed up until this point in your life, that fiber does more than just keep you full. It helps your body get rid of waste, which means your kidneys don't have to work as hard. So, how does this work? When you eat an apple, the soluble fiber in it absorbs water in your intestines and forms a gel-like substance. This substance traps waste, toxins, and even some cholesterol, carrying them out of your body through your digestive system before they ever reach your kidneys. This process reduces the amount of waste your kidneys need to filter out, effectively giving them a bit of a break. Your kidneys deserve a little break too, don't they? Then, apples also have something called pectin. It's a type of fiber that helps lower cholesterol. Why is that important? High cholesterol can cause problems for your kidneys because it affects blood flow. Let's break it down. When your cholesterol levels are high, fatty deposits can build up in your blood vessels, including those that supply blood to your kidneys. This makes it harder for your kidneys to get the oxygen and nutrients they need, potentially leading to damage over time. By eating apples, the pectin helps reduce cholesterol levels in your blood, which in turn supports healthy blood flow. So by eating apples, you're not just lowering cholesterol and reducing the risk for heart attacks and whatnot. You're also helping your kidneys stay healthy by keeping your blood pressure in check. Now, if you're someone who needs to watch your potassium levels, apples are, well, yet again, a good choice. They're low in potassium, so you don't have to worry about adding extra stress to your kidneys. That's a big plus, especially for people who need to be careful about what they eat. Furthermore, apples are also great for tackling inflammation. Chronic inflammation can really wear down your kidneys, leading to bigger problems over time. But apples are loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids, which help fight off that inflammation. For people with diabetes, apples are a smart choice. They have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause big spikes in your blood sugar. Since diabetes can lead to kidney problems, eating apples can help you keep things balanced and reduce the risk of complications. And the best part? It's easy to add apples to your diet. You can eat them as a snack, toss them into your oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. If you're in the mood for something warm, try baking them with a little cinnamon. Number 2. Blueberry. Next up, let's talk about blueberries. You might not think much of these tiny fruits at first glance, but blueberries are full of benefits that can help keep your kidneys in good shape. First off, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly one called anthocyanin. This is what gives blueberries their deep blue color, but more importantly, it's also what helps protect your kidneys from damage. You see, your body constantly deals with oxidative stress, which is when harmful molecules called free radicals damage your cells. Over time, this can lead to chronic conditions, including kidney disease. But anthocyanins help fight off these free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting your kidneys from damage. Another big plus for blueberries is that they're low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. For people with kidney problems, managing these minerals is crucial because too much of them can cause further damage to the kidneys. Sodium, for instance, can raise your blood pressure, putting more strain on your kidneys. Phosphorus and potassium are also tricky because if your kidneys aren't working well, they can build up in your blood to dangerous levels. But with blueberries, you don't have to worry about that. They're naturally low in these minerals, making them a safe and healthy choice for your kidneys. But the benefits don't stop there. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, and blueberries can help keep it in check. They've been shown to improve blood vessel function, lower blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol levels, all of which are good news for your heart and, in turn, for your kidneys. Number 1. Pomegranate. Last but certainly not least is pomegranate, a fruit excellent for lowering blood pressure, supporting heart health, and reducing inflammation. These benefits are important for overall kidney health. Now, the other two fruits we've talked about, blueberries and apples, also offer similar advantages. So, you might be wondering, why add pomegranates to the list? Well, pomegranates bring some unique benefits to the table that go beyond what the other fruits offer, making them a valuable addition to your diet if you're focused on kidney health. One of the coolest things about pomegranates is how they can help prevent kidney stones. Now, kidney stones usually happen when there's too much calcium in your urine, which can form into those painful little stones. But pomegranates, being packed with antioxidants and compounds, can actually help lower these calcium levels. Less calcium means a lower chance of forming stones. So, if you've had kidney stones before, or you're worried about getting them, adding pomegranates to your diet could really help keep those stones at bay. But that's not all pomegranates can do for your kidneys. If you already have kidney issues like chronic kidney disease, pomegranates can still be a big help. Drinking pomegranate juice has been shown to lower creatinine levels in your blood. Creatinine, in case you didn't know, is a waste product that your kidneys are supposed to filter out. When your kidneys aren't working well, creatinine levels go up, which isn't a good sign. By helping to bring those levels down, pomegranates can support better kidney function over time. And finally, pomegranates can boost nitric oxide levels in your body, which is important for relaxing and widening your blood vessels. Now, why does this matter for your kidneys? Well, your kidneys rely on a rich network of blood vessels to filter waste and excess fluid from your blood. When these vessels are in good shape, your kidneys can do their job much more efficiently. Bonus. Before you click off, though, here's a bonus fruit for kidney health: watermelon. Yup! This fruit is not just a refreshing summer treat, it's actually great for your kidneys too. One of the key benefits of watermelon is its high water content. Over 90% of it is water. This makes it a natural diuretic, which means it helps increase urine production. More urine flow is beneficial because it helps flush out toxins and waste from your kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. Watermelon is also rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Additionally, watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that helps the body produce more nitric oxide. I'm already sure you know by now how this nitric oxide can help. So, there you have it, the top 3 fruits to detox your kidneys. Remember, while these fruits can be beneficial, it's important to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. And don't forget to stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and avoid excessive alcohol and caffeine consumption. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.